Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Aishwarya and today's video is going to be a full-on review on the Digitek 18-inch ring light. So this is a little special one because I'm going to be sharing why I bought this ring light even though I had a ring light at my home, and I'm also going to be telling giving the review of the whole ring light and also showing the unboxing of the ring light. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Firstly, let me tell you guys that my channel is not at all related to tech. I usually do beauty or jewelry related videos, so this is my first tech related video, so if I do any mistakes in the pronunciation, then please do forgive me. Having said that, let me start with a story session, why I bought this ring light, having one ring light at home. So yeah, I actually had one ring light which was gifted to me by my brother for his first salary, and it completely worked so well. It was a 12-inch ring light. I'm gonna post a picture of it on the screen right now. So it was a very good ring light. I have used it so much, and for all my first beauty related videos, it was the one which I used to use, and it worked completely fine. And suddenly when I was doing my last video, which was a Kishori inspired makeup look video, it suddenly got corrupted. The ring light will be fixed to a stand and it just got dismantled by the stand somehow. But still, me and my father tried to fix it, because I had to record that video on that day. So I recorded that video, but meanwhile in the middle again it got dismantled, and yeah, my father and me tried to fix it again. And yeah, my mother was holding the ring light in her hand. Then I recorded the video without the stand. So I struggled a lot for that video, but after doing that, when the video was completely over, but still, after recording the video, when I switched on the ring light, it didn't switch on, the light didn't come, and I was shocked because at least till that moment the light was working completely fine, even though the stand, the part which will be in the middle of the light in the stand, it got corrupted. The light was working completely fine, it got on, but suddenly it also got corrupted, and I was very sad. But still I was happy that I could complete that Kishori inspired makeup look at least. So yeah, I was happy about that. And then I wanted a ring light very badly because I had a very limited time left to complete my 4K watch hours, and you might be noticing that I am posting videos very frequently and very consistently only in order to complete that. And if I don't have a ring light, I don't have proper holding for my phone to record the video, and yeah, I couldn't do that. So I wanted a ring light very badly and ASAP. So that is the reason for me to purchase another ring light this soon, or else I would have taken my time and totally waited for the lockdown to end and then taken a new ring light. But I think it was very urgent for me because I had to complete the 4K watch hours. I hope you guys will watch all my videos from the beginning to the end and make me complete this huge mission. I hope you guys will do that for me. And I asked my mother and I also asked my father. So they told me that instead of buying a 12-inch ring light, it's not usually big, so they told me that you can buy a 18-inch ring light. So I was actually confused between those two, and I also had a confusion that a Digitek ring light only comes with a light. If you want with the stand, you can buy that variant, or if you don't want, you can just buy the light. So I was thinking that I already have the stand of the old ring light, so I can use that for this new ring light. And I was confused like so much that I couldn't even get an answer to my question if I should buy the with stand variant or without stand variant. And finally, I concluded that I should buy a ring light without stand. I should try with the old stand which I have. If it works, then it is completely fine. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna think of buying a new stand. So when I received it, I actually ordered, placed an order on Sunday 30th May, and I got it delivered the next day itself, Monday. So I was very happy. Actually, this is the day which I'm recording. Today only I received the parcel and I'm recording it today itself with the ring light on, obviously. So yeah, I was very happy about it, and I tried to fix it with the old stand. It worked completely fine. So I would suggest you guys that don't think of buying a new stand if you have one in your home. So you can work with any type of stand. You should just make sure that you have a proper light wala stand and not a tripod. So it doesn't work with a tripod, but if you have a proper light stand, stands for ring lights and those umbrella lights and stuff, then it works completely fine. So you just need to make sure about that. So now I'm going to be inserting a clip of unboxing of the ring light and how to fix it and all those stuff, because when I searched in the YouTube, I didn't get a lot videos on how to fix the ring light to a stand which you have already. So I thought if I make this video, it would be useful for you guys who are in a plan to purchase this ring light. And after that, I'm going to be giving a detailed review about this ring light. So the ring light came in with this huge box. So the outer packaging of the ring light is very huge, but actually the the product inside is not that huge, but the box is very huge. So I appreciate the packaging. It is very standard quality packaging. And right now, as you can see, I'm opening the box of this. So this is how the ring light box inside looks like. It also came in with a bag inside, so you can use this bag to carry it, carry the ring light, and it is very safe. So you can travel with the ring light as well. And this is how the ring light looks like inside. This is a very huge ring light. This is the Digitek 18H ring light. It also came in with an instruction manual for you to how to fix the ring light and all. And it also came in with a cable to connect the ring light with electricity. It also came in with a smartphone holder. If you are using smartphone, then definitely it helps you. And it also came in with some other accessories like boil socket and with some screws to fit the mobile phone holder to the ring light or your camera. And that is a plug point. This is a power button. These are the buttons to dim the light or change the color of the light. And this is a battery point where you can attach the battery and use the ring light without electricity. These are the points where you can attach your smartphone or camera. So this ring light is a very good ring light. Now in order to fix the ring light, you just need to place the ring light on top of a light stand and tighten the screw, and that is it. You can use any light stand and it is as simple as it is, and it works great. Now take the ball socket type of a thing which is given along with the ring light. You just need to place it on the point given and then just tighten it. It rotates, so you can easily tighten it. And then you need to take a screw. So this screw is also given by the ring light, and you need to just place it on the other side of the ball socket and tighten it. And after doing that, you should take a smartphone holder which is also given with the ring light again, and also screw it into the screw which we fixed earlier. And this is as simple as it is. You can place the mobile phone after this. So you can see this is the color changing buttons, and I'm gonna be plugging the ring light right now so you can see how it works. So this is how the ring light looks when it is on. Of course it is looking a little bit dim, but it is very bright, to be honest, in real. So this is a very high quality light, I would say. Now in order to fix the phone, you just need to place the phone into the smartphone holder, and that is it. So yeah, we are done with the fixing of the ring light. So that was the unboxing of the ring light, and I'm pretty sure that by seeing that clip itself, you can tell that this is a very good quality ring light. But however, you want to see how it works in person, when a person is sitting in front of the camera, how the ring light works. So I'm going to be changing the temperature or the color of the ring light, as well as the brightness of the ring light as well, and show it to you guys. So now the ring light, the brightness is at its full intensity. So now I'm going to be showing you the different colors of the ring light. So you guys can see this is the completely warm yellow type of the color. This is a warm shade. Now you guys can see the cooler shade. Just a minute. So you guys can see this is turning into the cooler side. So this is the completely cool side, a very white light. So this is the white light most YouTubers prefer, and I also like white light. So this is how it looks like, and the intensity right now is it at full, at its peak level. Now I'm gonna decrease the intensity. So you can see as we decrease the intensity, this is how it looks like without the light. Yeah, now I'm gonna increase the intensity. And the ring light is very bright. As you can see right now, the intensity is very high, but even if it's not in the highest intensity, even if you lower it a little bit, it is like very bright. And yeah, I would say the quality of the light coming is really good. You know, once I'm done filming, or if I switch off the ring light, you know, I am constantly seeing at the ring light, that illusion of the light is already recorded in my eyes. If I see here and there, I could see the illusion of the light coming. Overall, the lighting is really good. The quality of the light is really good, and the color changing is also very smooth. You know, you can keep the color or the you know, to warm or very cool or into the middle as well. So it is totally up to you. This is a very good ring light. Now coming to the review of the ring light, this is the Digitek DRL 18H ring light. This is a very huge ring light, as you saw in the unboxing. So this is a very good ring light as of now, because I have not used it for many days to tell you guys this thing, but I will keep you updated on it. This is the first day of me exploring this, so this is a very good quality ring light, I would say. You know, those ring lights which come with the buttons, it is a little it can have chances of being corrupted, I feel, but this one is with a rotator, so the lighting cannot get corrupted, I feel. So this is overall a very good ring light. There are so many options to fix your camera or your smartphone, so that is one thing which I liked about it. However, you might find the ring light a little expensive, so this ring light is for rupees 3,500. Only the ring light without stand. So some people might find this a little expensive, even I found it actually, but I thought instead of investing in a cheaper ring light which is not of a good quality, you know, because in Amazon there are so many brands of ring light which is of 12 inches, so I was very confused between those. So I thought instead of investing in a 12-inch ring light which would probably get corrupted, so I thought I should invest in a well-known ring light brand. So instantly my mind came up with Digitek. So yeah, I just bought this ring light. This is a fabulous ring light. I would definitely give it a thumbs up. You guys can try out this as well. And yeah, definitely keep in your mind that this light does not come with a stand. You have to buy the stand separately, or else if you do own one, then that is completely fine. This ring light can be fixed into any light stand that you own, not tripod. It won't get fixed on the tripod. Don't ever think of it. You should have a proper light stand, a good quality sturdy light stand, then it would completely get fixed. But if you have a very flimsy one, then it would not work, because the ring light is very heavy. So you should have a standard quality sturdy light stand. So yeah, just make sure that you have a good quality light stand. If you don't, then they also have their own light stand, Digitek light stand, so you can purchase that one as well. I'll make sure to link down the light stand as well as the ring light in the description box for you guys to check it out. And let me tell you guys that it is totally worth it. It is cheaper in the long run, because it will not get corrupted at that easily. That is what I have heard from other YouTubers as well. So yeah, I have heard that this ring light is a fabulous ring light and would run very long time. That is what we all want, right? So this is a very beautiful ring light overall, I would say. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. So yeah, I also want you guys to watch all my videos from the beginning to the end. As I said, I am very close to the end time of the 4K watch hours for getting into the partner program. I hope you guys will fulfill this request. I only have about 19 days, so please go watch all my videos completely. I hope you guys will do that. And yeah, I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, love yourself, be safe and be happy.